In this video, I'll show you how to add an admin to a Facebook page step by step. First, sign in to Facebook and switch to the page you want to manage. Make sure you have full control of the page. Next, open Settings and Privacy. Select Settings and go to Page Setup or Page Access, depending on your Facebook version. Under People with Facebook Access, click Add New. Enter the person's name or email address, then choose the access level you want to give them. If you want them to have full administrative control, select Allow this person to have full control. Review the permissions carefully before continuing, because full control allows the person to manage page settings, access, and other important features. Click Give Access and confirm your password if Facebook asks you to do so. The person will receive an invitation and must accept it before they can manage the page. Finally, return to Page Access and confirm that the new admin appears in the list. That's how you can add an admin to a Facebook page safely. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.